Hi and welcome to Iris Mastery Series. In this video I want to show you what are these transition values for. From the transition page I'm talking about these values: day transition, night transition, sleep transition and pause transition. Basically Iris is using different values during the night and different values during the day. This is to match your monitor lighting to the light around you, without using camera or any other sensors, but by using the clock or location or something like this. From this page you can see that day transition is set to 1 hour, and you see when the day transition starts and when the day transition ends. There is 1 hour between these values. If I change this day transition to another value, the values will change, but the day start time is regulated by your position of the sun based on your location, or if you're using the clock, by your clock times. To explain this better, I'm going to change my iris to use my clock values. Right now in my country it's 8 o'clock and the night will start at 8:30. You can see here how this value is slowly lowering, and if I change the transition time not to be 1 hour but to be 6 minutes, my screen is bright because it's not time for a transition yet. But if I change the night start time to another value which is closer to my current clock time, for example this time, you can see how much faster Iris is transitioning between day or night mode. I hope you understand this, but basically the transition is the slow change between day, night, between night and sleep, and between pause and unpause. I can show you the difference between pause and unpause from menu. This is a transition. This thing here is a transition, and if I change the pause transition to some smaller value, you'll see how much faster this thing goes. You see how much faster is the pause. This is what the transition is used for, and you can customize it from here. You can see the different transition times after you change your transition times from the transition times table below. Thank you very much.